Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the server edition and installing the Windows Server Backup feature. This gives you the tools to proceed. Once done, decide on a reliable backup target, a separate disk, external USB, or a network share, and verify available space. Make sure to enable necessary roles and permissions for the chosen target. If using a network share, map credentials now. This prevents permission failures later and lets you immediately create the first backup job without interruption. You next configure the backup job, open Windows Server Backup, or run wbadmin to script it. Choose whether you want a scheduled backup or a one-time snapshot. For servers, pick full server unless you need custom selections. When selecting items, include system state and critical volumes to ensure bare metal recovery is possible. Once set, configure retention and enable volume shadow copy service to capture open files. Make sure to test the schedule, so you finish by running the initial backup immediately and watching progress to confirm it completes without errors. This validates your target and permissions. Once done, perform a quick restore of a small file or the system state to ensure backups are usable. Make sure to set log monitoring and alerts so you know when jobs fail, and keep an offsite or cloud copy for disaster recovery. If backups fail, check space, VSS errors, and network permissions as your first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.